Okay, mama. This is the plan, guys. Okay, listen. First, daddy gotta go pay his phone bill, right? Because I got a new phone, a new account, so I gotta get it automatically taken off the bank account. You know, I gotta call them. Then daddy has to start the filming, right? Because he hasn't been on YouTube. He has over 2,000 subscribers now. He hasn't been posting anything, and daddy got to post the stuff. He got to show them, because daddy first. Oh, another thing is daddy has to send in his shipments. He has to send in all of his shipments that he got, because he hadn't made any money, because he hadn't sent in anything, and the account's at zero right now. We're gonna start from the bottom and go to the top. So daddy has to get all this stuff ready and send to everybody. What do you think about that? I'm back. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. And just to make this video real quick, I'm just gonna jump into what's going on. Right now, my account. Right now, I got a new phone, not iPhone. Ew, iPhone. Galaxy S9. But anyways, yeah, my account. Let me go to my account really quick. Let me go to the home really quick. Zero. Nothing being sold this week. Didn't sell nada. Nothing, right? Nothing. I didn't sell anything, right, this week. So I'm starting from the bottom, and we here. That's what I'm about to do. We're starting from the bottom. We're gonna take it to 100, okay? And I'm gonna show everybody how to do this again. Like, I'm gonna just show you guys how to do this again. I didn't read any questions yet. I've been gone, guys. I haven't, to be honest. So, but real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna get this started. Watch this. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, I had to like cut that up real quick and go get the products. I got a few products today, guys. Boom, here's the first one. I don't know how much it costs because I already peeled the labels off, as you can see right here with the Scotty peeler. I scratched this one up a little bit, but that's okay. No big deal. So I'm just gonna go through real quick, and I got these at the Goodwill. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys know I keep it 100. All of these are from the Goodwill. There's two I got from Walmart, but check this out. Let's scan it. There we go. It's right there. Here it is, right here. It's has a sales rank of 41, so that's gonna sell right now. It already sold. It's gone. It sold last week, actually. And it's gonna make me $7.23. And I do believe I got this for like $1.50, I think, at the Goodwill. And I'm gonna make $7.23 minus the $1.50. You guys can do the math. There you go, right? Over 100% ROI, even though that's little money. I got big stuff. I got a bunch of stuff. Let me just take the camera. Hold on, because I'm not gonna scan everything. And I'm a little rusty at this, as you guys can see. I've been gone for a while. I'm a little rusty. But yeah. See, this is all the stuff I got. Got some stuff, you know, all these what are they called? These routers go for a lot. I make a lot of money, like 40, 30, 40, 50 bucks on each router. I got two routers. I have this little bridge for gaming. I think I'm gonna make a couple, like 40 bucks on these over here. I got some big boys over here. This one right here is gonna make me $118, guys. Check this out. So this is a scanner of some sort. It's gonna make me $118. I found that at the Goodwill. The funny thing about this, guys, is like I had to doctor this thing together. Only it was missing one thing. So when you get stuff at the Goodwill, you want to check. When you get stuff at the Goodwill, the inside, make sure everything's there intact, and how can you label it? Now this is new. It was new, but for some reason it was missing the USB. So I had to go to Best Buy, buy a USB for 24 bucks. So it took my profits from 150 to 118 or something like that. But I still make $118 profit. I bought this for, look, that one's still on there. $9.99, guys. $9.99. And just so you guys can believe me, check this out. I'm gonna scan this one for you guys, because you know how it's your boy, it's your bro. I'm back. I'm gonna scan this for you guys. No. Come on, scan. Nope, that's not it, guys. But don't even worry, because I found it here. I'll show you guys where I found it at. I'm going to go to add a product. I'm going to go to favorites, because I saved it as one of my favorites. And where is it at? It is right here. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Look, the same. Look, read it. Read the description. Flatbed USB scanner, touch, whatever, snap scan. You see that? You see? Look at. Check this out. New condition. $155. Let's see what it'll be in use. In use, it'll be $77. Still a crazy profit. But this is new, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is new. And look, I minus $37 because, like I said, it cost $9.99 for me. I bought it for $9.99, and then I went and bought the piece for 20-something bucks. So my profits are $118 on this bad boy here. On one product, guys. On one product, $118. Plus the 40 and 40 and 40 or 30 or 50 and all these little 10s and 20 profit. Guys, I mean, that right there is back right there. I mean, if I just sent this in, to be honest, for the week in profits for the week on this little shipment, that's not even big. Look, this is little. I found these all in one day, all in at the same store, at the same store in one day in less than an hour. And that's gonna make me close to $400, just around $400. You're gonna develop something I call the eye. Retail arbitrage sellers know what I'm talking about. After you get experience doing this, after you're in stores all the time, you just develop this eye to knowing for knowing what's going to be restricted, what's going to be eligible to sell, and what products are going to be the best. You tend to learn how to pick up the good winners off the jump. You can just see the box, you can see the product from here, and you're just like, I know. So, I mean, I developed an eye, I'm not going to lie. But you guys, doesn't mean you guys can't find anything. I'm telling you, you get in the stores. At first, I had no eye. I thought everything was restricted. I thought I couldn't sell anything. I thought this was bull crap. But now I just do this like it's nothing. I can wake up tomorrow. I can go to the store tomorrow. I can make another couple $100 in profits just by, you know, sometimes it takes longer to find these products, but sometimes you just find them because you have the eye. Having the eye helps a lot. So guys, without further ado, I'm just gonna wrap this up because I haven't been here, but I'm back. I'm gonna be posting very, very, very regularly, and I'm back, and you guys know what's up. And the game train is here too. If you're subscribed and you join the group that I'm about to start, you're making money no matter what. I got a secret thing how everyone's gonna make money. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. And no one's doing this. I'm mixing like different revenue, different ways to make online income, and I'm putting them kind of all in one in conjunction in the business that I have in my mind. Let's go, guys. But definitely go support the fitness. If you guys are into working out at all, go support the fitness. Go check out the YouTube. Well, the YouTube. Go add the Instagram. I'm gonna put the links below, and you already know I'm gonna be back. It's your boy. It's your family. If you are my family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If we blood family, you hit the bell too. You already know. I'm out. Peace. They might think I'm crazy, but it is what it is. Okay. Hey. My wife is driving, and I'm Spider-Man in it right now. Test your agilities. Test your strength. If I fall, I'm weak. If I fall, I'm weak. Oh, vlog. If I fall, I'm weak. Oh no, that's a bad influence for the kids. That's a bad influence for the kids. Oh, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Bad influence. Hey, Illy, never do that, okay? Never do what Daddy just did.